Hello, I am teacher David Danyo Jr., your teacher in MAPE.
Alright, we're going to have Music 8 in the fourth quarter, Module 1. We're going to discuss and study about Asian musical theater. So, Asian musical theater has different characteristic and nature. So, we're going to see what is it. Uh, so, Here we will go on to identify musical characteristics of selected Asian musical theater through video films or live performances. We're going to see the difference in uh, the difference in performances. We're going to watch the musical theater of Japan, China, and Indonesia. So first, we're going to have the uh, definition of theater. The definition of theater is a collaborative art form which combines words, voice, movement, and visual elements to express meaning. So uh, it is it is a not only a visual, but we can hear also words with their voices. Uh, we can we're going to, as I tell you, we're going to see the musical theater of Japan, China, and Indonesia. Uh, so the Asian musical theater that includes Japan or the Japanese theater. Japanese theater or has the Japanese characters where ka means song or bu means dance and ki means skill, or I am referring to the kabuki. So showing here is a picture relating or uh, explaining the dance performance kabuki. But I'm going to show you a dance that we have taken from YouTube about the kabuki. So there you are, the sample performance in the Kabuki theater. Next, we will going to show you another musical theater. This is coming from China. So we have here the Chinese theater. The Chinese theater is here that everything about baking. They also uh, show the baking opera. Everything about baking opera is carefully structured with specific techniques. The stories are of two general types. Civil plays are about emotions and relationship between characters. So we're going to watch a video also about the baking opera to understand better and to see better what is it about their musical theater in Chinese. So you can see the illustration of the character who perform in baking opera in this. So we will be familiarized better uh, upon watching the video about baking opera. Now we will see the baking opera of China theater. So that is the Chinese baking opera performance of China. Next musical theater, we're going to see about Indonesian theater. So what is different about the Indonesian theater? It's different from the kabuki of Japan and the baking opera of Chinese. In Indonesian theater, they show the shadow puppet theater. It's a well-known Indonesian theater popular not only in their own country but spread in several countries around the world. So here's a picture that illustrates how they perform the puppet jet. And after this one, we'll also show you the video performance of puppet jet. So that's it. Now we will see the wayang puppet chatter. So that is the example of wayang puppet chatter.
Thank you for watching and listening. See you in next video. Bye bye.
So here's the module, just in case you want to see and review it. So